Medallion team behind us.
Fuck yeah. There we go.
Medallion team is up there.
Fluffy and I are down here behind you getting healed up.
Think they're gonna
Yeah,
hit
those
that
guys are
launch
fucking-
pad?
Fucking me up.
This way. And then
Oh shit.
yep. Slide all the way down, keep it going.
So we gotta get up here.
Yep. Oh shit, 10 people. Oh, is that a big chest over there? Hold on, I'm gonna look at that. I need more shocky boys. Oh, some heals too, hell yeah. What is that? What's up there? Take that. Who needs a med kit? Nobody. Alright.
Now we're chilling.
Good. Get up here. This is they're gonna be pushed to us over here.
Yes, give me this.
Let's get up on here. This one. What can I mark? Fuck. So look, they're right in front of us actually. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
We need to get to my marker if we can. Cause this is where zone's gonna pull anyways. Ah, fuck you, bro. What you gonna do?
Dang
This
it.
kid